combination that we have talked about. Okay? Wallahu ta'ala a'lam wa subhanakallah bihamdik. He's a Muslim, not a Muslim. Fadl akhi, you have all the time for yourself. MashaAllah. Yeah, go on. Yes? No problem, no problem, inshallah. But can I just ask, since when you've been looking at Islam? And what are your religions, your father and your mother? Okay. So you know about Islam, you know about the prayer, you know about the ghusl, you know about all of this? I'm learning, okay, mashallah. But once you enter the shahada, there's no way out. Oh, say mashallah, mashallah. In the microphone. Alhamdulillah that we met this brother that he wants to embrace Islam. He's been reading about Islam for a number of years. He comes from the background of Christian mother, Catholic, and father as well. And he was hanging out with the Muslims, and today he decided to take the Shahada with his own consent. There's no compulsion upon him. I can't see any guns or any weapons being pointed at him. So he's full consent, alhamdulillah, to say the Shahada. And he's going to be, inshallah, granted today as well, certificate, okay, to have the Shahada. It's not to take it back up there, but this is in case if you die, you will be buried as a Muslim, inshallah. So what's your name, brother?
My name's Harrison, but...
Harrison, you could keep it.
I'm not changed, I picked it.
It's up to you. You don't have to change it. If you like it,
I chose to.
Okay. Right, what did you choose?
Yahya Malik.
Yeah, choose one of them, because it's two names.
Can't have a double barrel?
No, you can't. One name.
Yahya.
Yahya, khalas. This is Prophet Yahya. Right, so say in English, I bear witness.
I bear witness.
That there is no God. That there is no God.
That there is no God.
Worthy of worship.
Worthy of worship.
Except for Allah.
Except for Allah.
Alone having no partners. Alone. Having no partners.
Having no partners.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That Muhammad.
That Muhammad.
Is his slave.
Is his slave.
And messenger.
And messenger.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That Isa.
That Isa.
Jesus is there. Jesus. Is the word of Allah.
The word of Allah.
He gave it to Maryam.
He gave it to Maryam.
And he is. A spirit.
A spirit.
Created by him.
Created by him.
Ashhadu. Allah. Ilaha. Illallah. Wahdahu. لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله وأشهد أن عيسى كلمة الله ألقاها إلى مريم وروح منه Alhamdulillah. Our brother here, mashallah, entered Islam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you and make you steadfast to the deen. All you have to do now, mashallah, is to make sure that your ibadah is on time and your prayer. As soon as you go back home, make the ghusl. It's not because you are dirty. Make the ghusl the spiritual one. So you make the full ghusl, inshallah, that will wash all of this and everything, and then start, inshallah, new. Tonight, you do the Isha prayer. You have to do the Isha prayer. Start from the night for rak'ah. Our brothers here will help you. Got, mashallah, as well, Shakil, who was the office manager there. Anything that you want from him, he will give you as well. He's got some literature as well if you want from him. All of us become your family now. So a bigger family now, okay? Hug the brother, inshallah. Allahu Akbar.